Importance of statistical information. Today we'll learn about the importance of statistical information. The importance of statistical information in economics are as under follow. First one is statistical information supports or confirms a principle in philosophy of economics that observes the human behavior, and some scientific tools are established in economic for the principles and the theories. Now, to test the validities of such theory in real life at different times and places, the information from real life activity at such time and places is necessary. And these information can be collected, presented in the quantitative term with the help of these statistical tools. Now, let's see this example. If we need the data on the rainfall and agriculture, the statistical data on rainfall and agriculture production in a particular region at one time or at a different time helps to understand the cause and effect relationship between the agriculture and the rainfall, which economics theory has already established. That means we can see the effect of the rainfall on the agriculture production. So this is the statistical data. If we want to compare, we can do the comparison also. If we want to compare the statistical data, like last year how much rain was there and this year how much rain is there, what is the outcome of that agriculture product depending on the rainfall. So likewise, data and price of a commodity and its demand can also help us to confirm the theoretical relationship established by the between the two. Second point is gives an idea about changing trend of the economic parameter. With the help of economic data, we can obtain an idea of direction and magnitude of change in economic parameter. For example, we can know how the sales revenue of a particular firm is changing. We can know the trend of employment in the nation. We can know the trend of production in different sector of the economy. That means कि हमें पता चलता है कि एक फर्म का जो सेल्स है वो कैसे चेंज हुआ, वो चेंजेस कैसे आते हैं एम्प्लॉयमेंट जो है नेशन में उसके वजह से भी, और अलग अलग जो हमारे इकोनॉमी के सेक्टर्स है प्रोडक्शन से उनसे भी हमें जाना जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से दैट द शेयर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर is falling in national income or supply of money is raising in the economy. Such a data is helpful for individual unit to make an appropriate decision to increase their profits, their benefit, and help the government in making the economic policies. We'll discuss third point, to make comparative study easy. If the appropriate statistical data are obtained, if we are having proper statistical data, then we can make the comparison of the parameter over the different time periods across the region, across the nations. We can compare. For example, we can compare the growth rate of India's national income between 1951 and 2005. If we are having the statistical data of 1951, so we can compare that data with the data of 2015. We can see the comparison. We can see the growth rate of India's national income, and we can also compare India's macroeconomic parameters also, like per capita income, inflations, etc. And we can compare this data with the other countries also, like USA, China, UK, etc. As I told, we can compare the growth rate of India's national income between 1951, and in the textbook it is 1951-2015, but just I have told that 2005. We can compare any of the years national income. Okay. Point 4. To make precise presentation of facts. That is, to make the proper presentation whatever the information we are having. Some facts which about the economic parameter can be represented more clearly with the specific with the help of statistical data and graph. The graph showing inflation, agriculture production, religious disparity in income, etc. That gives a clear picture of their trend as compared to what description is there in the words can do. Like in the max, you prepare graphs, you can show the difference between, we can compare, we can show the difference in over here also. With the help of graph, we can take the details about the inflation rate, agriculture production, what is the regional disparity in the income. We can compare as the income changes and the purchasing power of the people changes. All that the differences can be seen easily with the help of the graph, and we can compare that information also, and this can be easily understood by the any of the person. Thank you, students.